Hey guys, welcome to our channel RudraVed. Today we're going to talk about squats, the kettlebell squats. So before moving to kettlebell squats, first you need to know how to do squat. Okay, we'll keep this video short, crisp. Okay, so the mistakes people do in squat is they do it like this. Okay, and in previous videos I told you the hip hinge position. All you have to do is keep your like this, your body straight and like this. There should be a curve and simultaneously your heels should be like this, full deep squat. Okay, now coming to the kettlebell, see, hold it like this from the horns and see, booty out. Okay, deep breathe in, breathe out. Okay, now talking about various variations of the squat. You see, this you can name it goblet squat. Now the second is the front squat. Do it. Okay, like this, or you can hold two kettlebells here and do it like this. Now moving further to the squats, you see there is no limit to squats. You can do forward keeping squat like this. Okay, another ragged squat, your hand here and you do squat. You can hold two kettlebells simultaneously. I'm not going to explain every time. See, like this, or you can, if you have one kettlebell, you can simply change the hand, rag the position and okay. Now the various squat variation like close stance, wide squat that you can add into it. Now moving further, there is one more variation you can add, that is the single leg squat. Of course, you will hold the kettlebell from the right leg like this, lift up. Okay, change the leg like this, okay, straight, this fully sit down and get back. Okay, so that's a short video on the squats. Practice it. Jai Shri Ram.